there, and welcome to another NaturPet training video. Today, we're going to talk about our topical remedies. These products are the ones you'll find in the green packaging and include eardrops, paw and skin, outdoor spray, and skin aid spray. Let's dive in. So the first product we're going to talk about is eardrops. This product is great for ear cleansing. It helps to loosen the waxy buildup that occurs in your pet's ears. And it's important to clean out this wax because too much waxy buildup can increase their risk for an ear infection and hearing damage. Some earwax is normal and healthy, as it does help to protect the ear from damage and excess moisture from getting trapped, which can actually cause an infection. However, there's such a thing as too much of a good thing, so be careful not to over-cleanse your pet's ears, as this can also cause irritation and damage. On average, we recommend cleaning your dog's ears about once a month, but of course, this varies with your dog's breed, size, and activities like swimming. Our eardrops also help to moisturize the ears and provide soothing effects, whether that's with dry, irritated ears or with earache. We've had this product around for quite some time, and there have been some changes with how we talk about it. So just to clear up any confusion, we get a lot of customers who ask why it is no longer indicated on the bottle for mites, infections, pain, or inflammation relief. And that's because we're no longer promoting it as useful for these things, because Health Canada's regulations say that we can only claim it for the use of infections, mites, and pain if it's a prescription drug, which we're definitely not. But what we can say is it's a great ear cleanser. It helps to, again, loosen that waxy buildup, moisturizes, and helps to deal with irritation. If a pet does have an ear infection, another way to add soothing effects to the product, to your pet, is to place your product in a mug of warm water before use. So that's going to warm up the product, and then that warmth will provide even more soothing benefits for your pet. And cleaning is easy. Just put the eardrops directly into your pet's ear and use a cotton swab to clean the ear gently. So what's in it? Well, we've got olive oil, calendula, vitamin E, basil oil, aloe vera, and bergamot. Olive oil is known to soothe inflammation and helps to moisturize and balance the secretions in the skin and reduces waxy buildup. We've got calendula, so that's known as one of the best herbs for healing and soothing the skin, and has a long traditional use as a calming and healing herb. Vitamin E helps to soften and soothe and has been used for promoting skin healing for many years. Similarly, aloe vera is very soothing, hydrates, and really helps promote healing of tissues. And then our two oils, basil oil and bergamot oil, are both known to have many benefits for the ear, for example, providing soothing relief. Then we have our paw and skin. This is a go-to for all sorts of paw and skin issues, even brittle nails. It's great for rashes, hot spots, abscesses, minor wounds, and scratches. It provides more moisturizing benefits and does provide soothing benefits to painful, dry, or itchy skin and pads. So it's going to promote the healing of those dry, cracked pads, in the summertime. If it gets a little bit hot on the pavement, this is great to help protect and promote good health in the paws or the nails, if they're starting to get a little dry and brittle. Unfortunately, this product is not suitable to cats because it does have essential oils in them. That is worth noting. So what is in it? There are a lot of ingredients in this product, so I'm not going to go over every single one. We've got chaparral, white oak bark, comfrey, chickweed, lobelia. We've got marshmallow root, red clover, golden seal, neem, tea tree oil, propolis, and vitamin E. And then the base is mostly comprised of some nice coconut oil, olive oil, some emulsifying wax, beeswax, and grapeseed oil. So lots of moisturizing benefits from that. Now, all these medicinal herbs that I mentioned in the product have so many skin and healing benefits that really make them an all-around great product for all sorts of skin issues, including those hot spots, scratches, cuts and scrapes, and then when we're dealing with dry, irritation, or brittle paws and nails. So the variety of healing benefits provided from these ingredients make it great when used ongoingly to promote paw health and to provide protection against like a harsh ground, whether it's heat or cold or rugged terrain. It's also great for ongoing care for things like eczema or other rashes, and then as well used acutely for your pet when they get hurt or scratched. That nice base of those oils and waxes are then going to provide protection and moisture. Next, we have our outdoor spray. Now, we recommend using it before and after a hike to protect your pet when they are hiking. It's also great to eliminate odor after swimming to get rid of that wet dog smell. And even after a bath, when they're nice and clean, we like to spritz this on to add a bit of a citrusy, spicy scent. Just add a little bit of extra freshness. And then those oils that are in it are going to help to add some shine and freshness to your pet's coat. Now, some people are confused why it's no longer listed to prevent ticks and other bugs, but now we are only promoting it as a deodorizer, as that is one of its other amazing benefits. This is just because we were contacted by Health Canada, and unfortunately, to promote it as a tick and bug repellent, we'd have to get it registered as a pesticide. Now, we can't do that, so what we want to talk about is this is an amazing deodorizer, and it helps to eliminate the bacteria that cause those odors. And because of that, we sometimes see reduced itching because, bacteria, itchy, stinky bacteria isn't going to feel very good either. So that's going to help, and then really creates that nice shine. So a nice smelling, shiny coat, what's not to love? And it is very safe to use every day. And because of the spray, very easy to apply. What is in this product? So we've got neem that is great at promoting a shiny coat and a healthy, hydrated skin because it has really healthy skin and coat benefiting oils in it. We also have sodium bicarbonate, which is essentially baking soda, and that's in there just to soak up excess moisture from the coat, and that's going to prevent hot spots, yeast buildup, and odors from occurring. We also have eucalyptus, clove, lemongrass, and cedarwood. Those oils are there to provide that fresh scent. They're great to reduce that odor-causing bacteria and leave your pet smelling really nice, woodsy, citrusy scent. Finally, we also have our Skin Aid spray. So this is our antiseptic first aid spray. It is great for cuts, scrapes, and wounds, and works really well on surface scratches or boils, abscesses, or even small bites. This is going to be there to protect the wound and support the healing of that. So great when you're out for a walk with your dog or cat. Yes, there are more cats going for walks these days, which is great. And it's going to help to prevent that infection by just giving it a nice clean while you're out on the go so you can get to that as soon as possible. One thing to note about this product, if you do have a pet with a white coat, it can cause some yellowing just because the herb calendula in there, it does have a yellow color. It's completely naturally occurring. There's no artificial colors in there, but it can cause a little bit of yellowness on a white pet. This is completely temporary, so no worries there, but just something to note if you are concerned about that. So what's in this product? We have echinacea, calendula, and alcohol. So echinacea has a long history of use to help heal and cleanse. It provides soothing relief by helping to reduce swelling and redness that comes from scratches, bites, and stings. Then we have calendula, which is one of the best herbs for the first aid treatment of burns, bites, scratches, and other wounds. And it's going to provide a lot of soothing benefits to those irritations and minor wounds. And then we have alcohol, which, as we know, is a natural antiseptic and kills germs. So wonderful combination to keep those wounds clean and get on that cut right away to reduce the chance for infection. So just a little bit about pet first aid. So when we're out for a walk, these are the 3 products that we recommend taking with you. Skin Aid spray, Paw and Skin, and outdoor spray. Now, if a pet gets a cut or a scrape, what we recommend doing is first applying the Skin Aid spray, and that's going to help by cleansing the area, cleaning, any of that yucky stuff that's going to potentially cause an infection. We want to clean that up right away. Following that, we're going to apply some Paw and Skin, which will help promote healing of that area And it's also going to provide a little bit of a barrier. With all those nice thick oils and waxes, we're going to prevent dirt, particles, and germs from getting into that area. And it's going to help to soothe your pet as well. So those are great combination. We love to take them together. They're our go-to pet first aid products. Now, not first aid, but it is a go-to when we are outside on hikes. We like to bring our outdoor spray, and as the name implies, it's great to have with your pet, spraying on them before and after adventuring outside. It's going to help prevent that wet dog smell if they're out swimming, and prevent any of those nasty things from causing a little stink. Also, of course, going to help their coat stay nice and shiny, and they're going to smell great, especially before they get back in your car and you're in close quarters. So just to recap, we have eardrops, our first product we covered. That's there to cleanse the ear and provide soothing effects if your pet has an ear infection. We have Paw Skin. Now that's great for cuts, scrapes, abscesses, rashes, and irritation. That's going to provide a ton of moisture to heal brittle paws and nails and protect the area. Then we have Skin Aid Spray, which is our antiseptic first aid spray, great for cleansing a minor wound or scrape. And our Outdoor Spray, which is a wonderful deodorizer that helps to prevent bacteria that cause odors, has a really nice spicy, citrusy, woodsy scent, and that's going to provide your coat with your pet's coat with a nice shine from those oils in there in the product. That's it for now. Thank you so much for joining this training, and we'll see you on the next video coming up soon.